I'm gonna let Mariah Carey handle this one. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and this is the quickest unboxing that y'all have ever seen in your life. It's like, no. So I'm just messing around, you guys. Happy holidays to everyone. It's almost Christmas. I was planning on just like uploading a whole bunch of videos and have them on schedule, but I do want to do a couple of reviews before Christmas, so that way, or at least you can try to get your parents or somebody that you love a nice Christmas present that they will probably use on a weekly basis. And this is one that will definitely be used on a weekly basis, you guys. Right here we have a 3-gallon RYOBI shop vac. You guys, honestly, we already used the shop vac, okay? I didn't even get a chance to bring it down here. My wife has already opened it. As soon as she saw it, she opened it. And she vacuumed the cars. She vacuumed everywhere. Like anywhere she could think of vacuuming, she vacuumed. And, you know, we still use our stick vacuum and stuff like that. But mainly for the car, she loves this thing for the car, okay? If you haven't seen my Home Depot real-time Black Friday shopping, then you missed out. I did put some things in the cart. I bought them, and I will be basically dropping those the next couple of days. One that I did miss out on was the Milwaukee, I think they call it Shockwave socket set or whatever. It's $100. It's about 40 pieces or something like that. I did put it in the cart. I will purchase it today before the sale goes away, you guys. Trust me, a lot of this stuff don't stay on sale forever, okay? But this one was $100, and I was like, you know, the other one was a 50-gallon or 1 gallon. It was a 1 gallon for like $50. And I'm like, shoot, for $50 more, I could get 2 extra gallons, 3 gallons, and be done with it. And it's a nice design, you guys. This design is the trendy design. I've seen a lot of tool companies using this design right here, the little square box design. One thing I didn't get was bags. I didn't get no bags, but right now we just been doing basic vacuuming. Right here, here goes your tube, and it stretches, and I'm going to knock my box down. So it looked like it stretches long enough, you guys, long enough. You probably could get 5 foot out of this. And I did drop the box. Don't worry, box is empty. So it looks like you could get 5 to 6 foot out of this stretch, you guys. And underneath of your hose is your attachment. This is the one where you attach to get, this is the main one that people use in their car to get in the corners and to get between the seats with the old fries and receipts. All right, and on the front you have the, you know, these are the normal attachments, you guys, the regular vacuum attachment. You attach it on, nice and easy. Trust me, you guys, get this for your wife, get this for your husband, whoever loves detailing. If you know somebody that loves detailing, this is perfect. Perfect. Unless they use, you know, super big shop vac or whatever, you know, but if it's portable, it's good. Battery powered. Battery. You guys, 18 volts of battery powers. You see, it's not on. This may get a little loud for y'all. That was on 1. Now we got 2. All right, you guys. And I think that the your hose line, it looks like about maybe like 1.5 inches. It looks about 1.5 inches, you guys, 1.25 inches of hose. All right, so I'm going to put the attachment back on. You guys, this will be a daily use tool product. This will be a daily use product, you guys. RYOBI done did it. They done come up with a cool design, and this thing gets hooked up. I think they call it RYOBI Link. So however RYOBI got their little link with their little toolbox, I believe you could fit it on their link toolbox. I wish they did one where you can link it to the wall. That would be awesome, because this in the garage on the wall, this will look so good. So good. RYOBI, please put that little link thing y'all talking about. Make that for your garage wall. And if y'all guys are looking out there, put it in the comments if they have one or not. I will search. But if they have one, this will get hung on the wall, you guys. So my wife loves this thing, you guys. She took it away. She already unboxed it before I did a review. She didn't care. She wanted to vacuum her cars. She wanted to vacuum corners. And she just wanted to have fun with this because it's portable. It's not heavy. To some people, it might be heavy. I mean, it got a little weight to it, but it's not like super lightweight. But it's portable. That's the main thing about this. Other than that, it says you got your little button right here. It says RYOBI Link. So I guess that's how you hook it up to the link right here. So I'll show y'all the bottom. So you see that. All right. And it says RYOBI Link right there. And if you need to open this, you got to lift up sides and a whole bunch of trash up in here already. I'm not even going to show y'all the inside, but there goes your filter, and it is definitely dirty already. All right, so I'm going to put that back, twist it, and whoo. Yeah, she definitely had fun with this already. Now, did I put this on right? Yeah. All right, so that's the words go in the back, and the RYOBI goes in where it says 1. That's where the RYOBI at, so you know where's the front and where's the back. All right, you guys, if you need to know anything else about this vacuum, if I find any bags, I will let you know. This is 3 gallons, so if I find any 3-gallon bags and try to put it in, then that will be perfect. But she went on and did it without the bag, so it's pretty much a mess in there. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to feature this in some shorts and some TikTok little movie stuff. You know, I'll be on TikTok, so I will feature this on TikTok. I will feature this on Instagram and all that stuff and share it everywhere, because this is a nice vacuum for $100, you guys. You can't beat it. Put it in your car trunk. Have the battery already ready. You can vacuum anywhere you want. You can vacuum on your lunch break. You can vacuum while you're getting gas. I don't know. In the Walmart parking lot, I've seen people clean their cars. So this will definitely be a good product for those type of people. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. Happy holidays. And I'll catch y'all in the next product review.